What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode where we talk about the NAS potential moves that's going to be happening over the coming days and weeks, right? So that's what we're going to be doing here today, right? Now, last week I was very profitable with my trades, fantastic results, right? First things first, let's do a bit of cleanup in this area. We're going to do a little bit of a cleanup in this area. Couple things we're going to keep and couple things we're going to get rid of, right? So first things first, let's get rid of all of this stuff over here. And okay, so we want to keep everything else. Everything else looks good. Whoops, and I actually got rid of the main thing that I wanted. Right, let me just bring that back. And then we're good. And then we're good with our analysis that we're going to be doing. Okay. Right, so as we can see, this trend in the middle is one that we cannot ignore, right? And it is being respected. It is being respected. You can clearly see it. So if you zoom in, you can clearly see that this trend line in the middle, this one right here, we're just going to increase the thickness of it. I'm going to make this red, right? Make this red. And then we're going to give it nice dots so it really sticks out. I think this sticks out. Yep, so this little red in the middle, actually we're going to make it black. Black's better. Right, so this little trend line in the middle right here is being obeyed. Okay, and that is good for us because we now know there's certain levels that if anything happens on, it's going to be easy for us to tell what kind of moves we need to be making. Okay, so over here we have a double top. We have a double top over here, and we're on a daily right now. And as you can see, the daily is in the background. So if I move this out of the way, you can see the day right here, right here. So that's the watermark. Whenever I change it, it then changes too. So we have a double top in this area right here, right? And there was a double bottom that I've been talking about for maybe about a week, about the double bottom, which is down here. A double bottom that I'm expecting to happen. It might not happen, but it could do, right? That is down here. So that is, if this comes down to here, we get a double bottom. At the moment, we have a double top. Okay, so where do I think price is going to go after it's done this? Well, normally, if it hadn't gone higher than this level over here, than this high point over here, then there's a fair chance, there's a fair decent assumption that it's going to do something like this. It's going to come down from here, possibly bounce back up again, right? And then break down, right? And remember, one thing to bear in mind, right, when this is happening, hence why it's always important to keep an eye on what is really going on at the tops, is that so long as it's not going above these highs over here, right, there's a very good chance it's going to break down, because what's happening is just flatlining at the top. Okay, what I'm expecting moving forward in the short term is I'm expecting price to go from here to here, and then I'll wait to see what price is going to do, right? If price pushes back up to this zone, okay, I would attempt again to make a purchase down here and ride it up to this side, and then decide what price is going to do when it gets to this level. Today, right, so I kind of skipped around a bit, but hopefully it's going to make sense. So today I did put in a trade and I was closed out, right? I was closed out because I made schoolboy error, and I'm going to show you exactly what happened, right? So what I was supposed to do, right, and this was before US market opened, what I was supposed to do was, seeing the consolidation taking place at this level, I should have gone with my gut feeling and put in a sell order at this level before price came down. So what happened was, price came down. In anticipation that the next wick was also going to take price down, I put in a sell over here and I put in a medium stop around this level. And as you can see, boop, we got closed out. And it returned back, which is the annoying thing that I hate, but happens, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm not going to trade anything tonight. I'm going to wait for tomorrow, and then we're going to re-enter the market again, and hopefully things are going to be a little bit more favorable, right? So these are the moves that I'm planning on making. At the moment, in regards to how this overall shape is looking, right, I'm fairly confident the price is coming down to this zone. Price is coming down to this zone right here. Price is coming down to this zone over here, right? What price does when it gets to this zone, that's what I'll be waiting to see. If it's going to push up, back up to this level again, right? If it's going to push up to this level again, or if it's just going to break through from wherever it is. But we're going to know once price gets down to this level over here, right? And it would need to do a clean break to the downside for me to believe that, okay, it might be giving us a double bottom. So for the title of this video, I'm just going to put down NAS pushing down possibly to 11527.01, right? So I think I've pretty much covered everything I needed to cover in regards to this video, right? Yeah. And you know what? So many of you guys actually watch this video and don't hit the subscribe button, right? So just hit the subscribe button. Just hit the subscribe button, man. You're not going to regret it, okay? You're better off watching me than somebody else that isn't telling you how or showing you moves on how you could possibly fill your pockets. Do you know what I mean? So just hit the subscribe button. It costs you nothing. Just do it. It makes sense, right? And if you don't know how to trade already and you think what we're talking about is complicated, trust me, follow along. It will start to make sense. You look at this long enough, it will start to make sense. Trust me. You want to hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. And this is not a manipulation tactic to make you hit the subscribe button. It's just because it's useful information that you're getting from me in regards to what we're doing on this channel, right? So I'll leave that ball in your court. And on that note, I want to thank you for giving me your precious time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video very, very soon. And also look out for the back testing videos as well. There is tons of information on there that you could use to help you improve in your trade yourself, right? So make sure you check those out as well, okay? Like the saying goes, it doesn't hurt anyone to take a look. So just take a look, see what it's like, right? And watch it all. Okay, so guys, on that note, much appreciated, much love. I'll see you in the next video, and for now, this is Pips and Points signing out.